How to fix no sound problem in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Windows, and at the bottom you'll find the speaker icon. Click on the speaker icon and see if the sound is muted or not. If it's muted, turn on the volume. Another thing which you can do is open Control Panel and click on Sound in here. After you click on Sound in here, select your default speaker and press on Properties at the bottom. After you've selected Properties at the bottom, here you'll find Audio Enhancement. If it's available in your device, simply click on Disable Audio Enhancement. After you've done that, another thing which you can do is open Device Manager and search for Sound in here. Expand Sound, which is audio, and then right click on the speaker, press on Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers, press on Next, and it will browse the best driver for you. As you can see, it has been installed. If it was not installed, it would install it for you. This is how to fix no sound problem in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.